Cross-posting your sales video to your business's social channels. Hey there everyone! You've just given a good boost to your YouTube business video by uploading it to your website. And now it is time to boost it through your business social channels too. Now, you just can't drop a link to your video on Facebook and call it a day. So in this lesson, we are going to show you how to cross-post your videos the right way. Here we are going to show you how to use Facebook and Twitter, the best places to share external URLs and generate conversions out of it. Start by shortening your shareable link. The first thing that you have to do is to shorten your video link. This is an important step for two reasons. For one thing, shareable links don't look good on social posts because they're not customized and are long. Second, social media sites decrease the relevance of posts with YouTube URLs because they would rather that you upload videos directly to their platforms. Luckily, you can game that restriction with a shortened URL. The best service to shorten URLs is Bitly. To use it, simply visit bit.ly on your browser. Paste your shareable URL into the Shorten Your Link field. Now click on the Shorten button and copy the shortened link. Save this link somewhere handy so you can share it easily. Cross-posting your video on Facebook. Alright folks, let's start by cross-posting the video on Facebook. This is going to be easy. First, log into your Facebook account and go to your business page. Once on your business page, click on the Write a Post field. What you'll do now is compose a Facebook post to promote your video. Start by adding the video title as the post headline on top. Now in the space, compose a brief description of the video. Make sure to use your keywords and search terms, and to add a call to action to ask users to click on the link to watch the video. Alright, now you are going to paste your shortened video URL below this text. Facebook will fetch a link preview, so click on the close icon to cut it out of the post. What you'll do instead is to insert the video thumbnail as the post image. For this, click on the Photo/Video button. Locate the thumbnail image and then double-click on it to upload it. Now spell check your copy. Check that the URL is correct, that the image looks good in the preview, and then click on the Post button. And that's it! The post looks incredible, and users simply have to click on the link to watch the video directly on YouTube. Cross-posting your video on Twitter. Now you are going to cross-post your video on Twitter. For this, go to your Twitter business account. Once there, click on the Tweet button. When composing your post on Twitter, the strategy is similar to Facebook. Open the post by adding the video title first. Now compose a brief description of the video below the headline, making sure to use your keywords and search terms, and to add a call to action. What you'll do now is to make your keywords into hashtags. Simply identify a keyword and type a hash symbol before it. In the case of search terms, simply put each keyword in the term together and place the hash symbol. This will rank your post on searches for those terms and keywords. Now paste your shortened video URL below the text. Now click on the gallery icon to upload your thumbnail image to the post. Now spell check your post text. Make sure that the link and image are correctly inserted into the post, and then click on Tweet. And that's it! Now your post will benefit from exposure on Twitter too, which is one of the best places to drop external URLs. As you can see, cross-posting your videos on social media is easy, and we highly recommend that you build a strong social media audience to push your content there with these very easy steps. Starting a live stream to promote a product launch URL. Hey there everyone! Live streaming is all the rage now, although the majority of people are not using it to make money. You'll find people using live stream to chat and play video games, and only a few using it for its money-making potential. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to set up a YouTube live stream where you can go live for your business, interact with potential customers, and make money in real time. Going live on YouTube. Going live on YouTube is really easy. And in this lesson, We're going to show you how to go live to promote a product launch URL to present your product and generate early bird sales. Start on the YouTube homepage while logged into your channel. And from there, go to your YouTube Studio dashboard by clicking on the Profile menu button, and then on the YouTube Studio option. Once on the dashboard page, click on the Create button on the top bar menu. Then click on the Go Live option from the display menu. This will take you to the live streaming page. Setting up the stream. Now it is time to start setting up the live stream. First, make sure to allow YouTube access to your camera and microphone so the live stream runs. Now click on the Stream tab. Here you are going to add your live stream information. Enter the name of your live stream into the Create a Title field. Here you are going to enter the name of your product launch. Now you are going to add the product launch description into the description field. Here you are going to add a summary of the product launch. Make sure to include your target keywords and search terms for maximum exposure. The next step is key. You are going to insert your product launch URL at the end of the description. You will entice viewers to take action during the live stream to encourage them to learn more about the product by clicking on the URL in the description. This is how you are going to drive conversions during the live stream. Now make sure that the stream is set as public, and then click on the Category menu button to select the correct category for the stream. Now click on the Upload Custom Thumbnail and upload a thumbnail image that you consider to be a good fit for the stream. You can use the product cover or an asset from the product launch kit as the thumbnail. Lastly, select the No, It's Not Made for Kids option in the Audience section. Starting or scheduling the stream. You will have the options to broadcast the stream right away or to schedule the stream for a later date. Now, your best bet is to leverage buzz for the product launch to promote your live stream. So, you have to make sure to either schedule the live stream to make time to promote the broadcast or to promote it heavily on social media before you go live. In case you want to schedule the live stream, simply enable the Schedule for Later option. Then click on the Date field and use the Calendar function to pick a date. And then click on the Time field to select the time of the broadcast. Once you schedule the broadcast, click on Create Stream. On the other hand, if you are going live right away, simply disable the Schedule for Later option and then click on Stream. In this case, we just posted a reminder to our Facebook and Twitter accounts, so we expect viewers coming in the moment we start the stream. So make sure to post your reminders before you go live too.